can't turn on background app refresh on iPhone, this can annoy and will keep background data processed on iPhone. If background app refresh on your iPhone isn't turning on, it may be due to certain settings or restrictions. In this guide, we'll show an easy way to solve these issues. Solution 1. Disable low power mode. Low power mode disables background app refresh to save battery. Ensure it's turned off. Open Settings. Tap Battery, toggle low power mode off if it's enabled. Background app refresh should now be available. If not, try out next process. Solution 2. Check background app refresh settings. Sometimes the main settings for background app refresh may be disabled. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down, tap Background app refresh, tap Background app refresh at the top, then select Wi-Fi and cellular data or Wi-Fi to enable it. Solution 3. Disable content and privacy restrictions. If screen time restrictions are on, they might be preventing background app refresh from being enabled. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If content and privacy restrictions is enabled, go to Allowed Apps. Ensure background app refresh is allowed. By following these steps, you should be able to enable background app refresh on your iPhone. If it's still not working, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.